All right, so to begin, I'm going to go ahead and mark all of my key levels here. And then the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and mark my zones to see where price is predicted to go. The next thing I'm going to do is check the trend. So I'm going to pull my trend line from the bottom on my recent low and extend up, as well as from my high and extend down. Always follow the trend, always, always, always. And I do this on my higher time frame and follow it that way. Here we're about to put in our entry on the 15-minute time frame. I'm going to do this by using the Fibonacci tool. As you can see, my Fib tool is already color coded. If you are aware of what the Fibonacci tool is, you know that those gold level entry zone is 0.618 and 0.50. So I'm going to go ahead and extend it out. My gold lines are my entries, and my green lines are my take profit, which I already do have that set on the fib for 0.27. It's already hot, color coded green. But 0.27 and 0 are my two entries. So let's just see how this play out. And now I'm just doing the same exact thing and just preparing myself for sell positions just in case the trend decides it wants to change. Stay ready so you ain't got to get ready. Okay. Now that everything is marked up and we know exactly where we're entering the market, we are being patient and sitting on our hands and waiting on our confirmation to get into the market. I am mainly waiting on that higher time frame trend line break. So let's see what happens. And just like that, prices hit my take profit. And not only did it hit my take profit, but it soared to the next zone that I had created. This play was very smooth, very much clean, very much by the rules. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend.